Hello friends, today in Math chapter 4 determinant, we will see solution of question 11 to 16 of exercise 4.2. So question 11 is there, prove that a minus b minus c 2a to b minus c minus a to b and 2c c minus a minus b equals to a plus b plus c whole cube. So here 2a is then 2a. So this second row and third row we had here. Add here, then minus b plus 2b plus b minus c plus 2c plus c. So it will convert into a plus b plus c. And so if we apply R1 transform into R1 plus R2 plus R3, 3 rows addition we take, then here first row will convert into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Here 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. As you have not checked the second and third row, it will remain as it is. Now a plus b plus c common from your first row. And here we have 1 2b 2c, 1 b minus c minus a 2c, 1 2b c minus a minus b. Here R1 transformed into 1 by a plus b plus c into R1. So now here these two column we minus from these two rows, then here 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So which will be easy to expand, and so a plus b plus c, here 1 2b 2c, 0 b minus c minus a, that will give us minus a minus c minus b, and 0, here 0 to be minus 2b 0, and here minus c minus a minus b. So here we have applied C2 transform into C2 minus C1, C3 transform into C3 minus C1. So now we can expand here with 1, then a plus b plus c, 1 into minus a plus b plus c, 0, 0 minus a plus b plus c. And so these two minus minus multiply, so a plus b plus c whole square into a plus b plus c, which will give answer a plus b plus c whole cube. Next question, second question is there, prove that x plus y plus 2z, x y, z y plus z plus 2x y, z x z plus x plus 2y equals to 2 times of x plus y plus z whole cube. So here we second column and third column we had here, then x and x 2x, y and y 2y. So it will become 2 times x plus y plus z. And so we apply C1 transform into C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then first column will convert into 2 times of x plus y plus z, 2 times of x plus y plus z, 2 times of x plus y plus z, and here x y plus z plus 2x, x y y z plus x plus 2y. Now from the first column 2 times x plus y plus z we take out common, and here 1 1 1 x y plus z plus 2x, x y y z plus x plus 2y. Here we have applied C1 transform into 1 by 2 x plus y plus z C1. So now first row we minus from second and third row, then this 1 1 will become 0. So 2 times x plus y plus z, here 1x y 0 0 y plus z plus 2x minus x, so it is x plus y plus z y minus y 0 x minus x 0, and this will be x plus y plus z. So this expansion will be 2 into x plus y plus z, and this will be 1 into x plus y plus z 0 0 x plus y plus z. Now first column we multiply, so others are 0, so no need to multiply, and so it is 2 times x plus y plus z is there, and here whole square will come, so it is 2 times x plus y plus z whole cube. We have question 12. Prove that 1x x square 1x x square 1 equals to 1 minus x cube square. So x cube we want, so this column we multiply by x, and then we get the x cube, and then we subtract from the first column, then it will be 1 minus x cube. So here c1 transform into c1 minus x c3, and so it will be 1 minus x cube. Now x square x into x square minus x square 0, 1 into x minus x 0, x 1 x square x 1. So now 1 minus x cube we take out common, then it is 1 0 0 x 1 x square, or with the 1 minus x cube we expand it. We expand with the 1 minus x cube, then we get 1 minus x cube 1 x square 1, because other columns are 0. So 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube 2 times we got, so it is 1 minus x cube whole square. Now 13th question, 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab minus 2b, 2ab 2b, 1 minus a square plus b square 2a, and minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. We have to show that its answer is 1 plus a square plus b square. So we have to try to maximum analyze 1 plus a square plus b square, and see we have to try the other elements to make the 0. So we can see here, this element third row we multiply by b and add here, then plus 2b square and minus b square, so it will convert into plus b square, so 1 plus a square plus b square. Also 2ab and minus 2ab will give us 0. Also here 1 minus a square, in this row will multiply here, then it will give us, and so very easily you can get, it is 1 plus a square plus b square. Same way here, 2b and second row we multiply, third row we multiply by a, and subtract from here, then 2ab minus 2ab 0, then minus 2a will convert into minus 2a square, and here so it will be added, subtracted, so plus 2a square, and like this way. So we transform r1 transform into r1 minus b r3 and plus br3, and r2 transform into r2 minus ar3. So here r1 1 plus a square minus b square plus 2b square, so it is plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab 0, and minus 2b plus b minus is b is a square b minus b cube, so minus 2b plus b will be minus b. Here 2ab minus 2ab 0, 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square, so plus a square plus b square, and here a we multiply, and 2a minus a, which will be a minus minus plus a square plus ab square, and third row will be as it is 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. So here 1 plus a square plus b square, here minus b we take out common, then 1 plus a square plus b square. Same here plus a we take out, then it is 1 plus a square plus b square. Sorry, here a cube will come. So here 1 plus from second and third first row 1 plus a square plus b square common. So it will be square from both the rows we are taking out. So 1 0 minus b 0 1 a and 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. R1 transform into 1 by 1 plus a square b square R1. R2 transform into 1 by 1 plus a square b square R2. Now again we expand this one, and it is 1 plus a square b square, and we expand it, and 1 into 1a minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square minus 0, then it becomes a plus into minus b into 0 1 to b minus 2a. And so we multiply this, then it is 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, and here 1 minus a square minus b square minus minus plus 2a square, so it will convert into 1 plus a square plus b square, and here minus b square, and here minus b into 2b minus 2b, so it will be 1 plus a square plus b square, and this simplification again 1 plus a square plus b square, so it will be 1 plus a square plus b square all cube. Now we have 14 question: a square plus 1 ab ac ab b square plus 1 bc ca cb c square plus 1. Then we have to get the answer 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So here b and c we want separate, but here a is there. So to separate the a, we take out a from the first column row. Same here ab and bc, so we take out b from the second row column and c from the third row column. Then R1 transform into 1 by a R1, R2 transform into 1 by b R2, and R3 transform into 1 by c R3. Then we get here a plus 1 by a b c b plus 1 by b c a b and c plus 1 by c. Sorry, here we have divided by b, so here a will be there. Now here we want a square b square c square, so first column multiply by a, second column multiply by b, and third column multiply by c. So here, sorry, we are going to write 1 by ABC. Sorry, it is ABC. So C1 transform into AC1, C2 transform into BC2, and C3 transform into CC3. So now ABC by ABC we will get, and here a into a is square, 1 by a into a means 1, here a square, b square, b square plus 1, b square, c square plus 1. Now we add b square and c square in the first column, means we apply C1 transform into C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then we get the new matrix. So determinant 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. And here B square plus 1 B square C square plus 1. Sorry, C square plus 1. So from the first column we take out 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Then remaining determinant we have 1 1 1 B square plus 1 B square C square plus 1. Now to make these two 0 we apply R2 transform into R2 minus R1 and R3 transform into R3 minus R1. Then we get 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square 1 0 0 B square C square as it is. We have not changed the first row. Now B square plus 1 minus B square it will be 1. This will be 0, here 0 and this will be 1. So we expand with the 1, then it will be 1 only. And so answer is 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Now AB is square matrix of 3 cross 3, then K is, so A is matrix, so A has the 3 elements A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Now Ka means each element will be multiplied. Actually it is Ka1, Ka2, Ka3, Kb1, Kb2, Kb3, Kc1, Kc2, Kc3. So when we convert into determinant, from each row K will come out, and so it will be, the answer is K cube determinant A. Now we have the 16th question. Which of the following is correct? So determinant is a number associated with the square matrix. Is the correct statement.